Innovate.
Innovate is a collaborative initiative powered by the European Union through EU for Innovation and the German government via GIZ Albania and Proceed 2.0.
EU for Innovation promotes the quadruple helix approach to engage all perspectives of society and to develop the most suitable outcome for all players involved. That's why EU4I is proud to join forces with Proceed in the Innovate initiative.
Partnering with the Ministry of Economy, Culture and Innovation, as well as the National Agency for Employment and Skills, Innovate pioneers a new era of cooperation. Bringing together public vet providers, universities, civil society organizations and the private sector, it drives innovation and growth in Tirana, Durrës, Shkodra and Korça. Missioners of Social Rights has supported Karl Gega Public Vet School in the frame of Innovate by providing practical know-how in the field of innovation and entrepreneurship.
Projekti më dha besim në veten time që në të ardhmen të mund të bëj diçka të tillë.
Fitova një eksperiencë shumë të mirë që besoj do mbledh edhe në të ardhmen.
At Karl Gega Public Vet School in Tirana, over 500 students have actively explored innovation and entrepreneurship concepts via 6 thematic workshops.
Bashkëpunimi me universitetet është gjithmonë një hap pozitiv, sepse ai mundson nxënësve tanë të shikojnë përtej kurrikulave shkollore gjimnazit.
Teachers have received expert consultations to enhance their expertise in these areas, integrated into key learning areas such as transportation, mechanical services, construction, geodesy, wood processing and thermohydraulic.
Ky proces pa involvimin serioz të gjithë studentëve të shkollës në të 6 drejtimet e tyre.
Institute for Change and Leadership in Albania collaborated with Albanian University to enhance green and digital skills in entrepreneurship and innovation at Beqir Qela School.
Një nga projektet kryesore të Living Labs që më la shumë bresa ishte Smart Parking, ku ne morëm të dhëna teorike rreth saj dhe arritëm të implementojmë në praktik.
AUja ka qenë vazhdimisht duke na dhënë informacione se si të na ndihmojë dhe se si na motivojë që të vazhdojmë në përfundimin e projektit.
Innovate in Durrës served as a living lab for innovative creators, involving over 500 students in these initiatives. Additionally, 100 vet school students participated actively in the Living Labs project.
Projekti ka sjell shumë përfitime për formimin profesional, për teknikat e reja të mësimdhënies, për nxitjen e studimeve akademike, dhe sigurisht një kontribut të madh ka dhënë instituti jonë.
Albanian University professors were actively involved in these activities by sharing information through online teaching platforms benefiting 50 teachers of Beqir Qela Vet School. M&M Ivanaj Foundation Institute and MMFI Albania have equipped the Public Vocational Education Training Center #1 in Tirana with additional methodologies and modern innovative solutions to impact the country's micro-industry. Over 300 job seekers were engaged in active training and mentoring. Approximately 40 individuals have participated in internship programs, resulting in the incubation and support of 3 new business ideas.
Të gjitha trajnimet që janë bërë si për stafin ton dhe më pas që kemi implementuar instruktorëve dhe kursantëve, kanë qenë shumë të efektshme.
Teachers have also gained valuable knowledge and professional training opportunities on innovation, entrepreneurship, and sustainability.
I think we have a long way to go from here ahead, but it's a good start, and I think it involves different people at different levels and with different expertise and also different willingness, because you have to really roll up your sleeve these days in order to be able to accomplish something.
Alb Academy partnered with Hotel Petit Elite and University of Shkodra to introduce innovation and entrepreneurship concepts at Hamdi Bushati Public Vet Provider.
I'm very proud to be part of the Innovate. I want to thank the mentors for teaching us a lot.
Approximately 30 teachers received training in applying these concepts through 10 TOT sessions.
Të bashkëpunosh me shkollat profesionale, shikon të rinj, të reja që janë në moshë shumë më të hershme, që kanë spunto dhe dëshirë për të krijuar një biznes. Jam e surprizuar për mirë, idetë ishin fantastike, inovative dhe shpresoj shumë për tyre do t'i vënë në realitet.
More than 350 students across all study levels were engaged in customized extracurricular training modules, out of which 10 student startup teams received further support such as mentorship, networking opportunities, and more, resulting in the successful launch of 3 awarded ideas. Junior Achievement Albania has been working closely with Polis University to design 3 intensive training sessions for more than 50 students at the Technical and Services Vet School Skorqa, focusing on entrepreneurship education, critical thinking, and business development models.
Ka qenë një rrugëtim i përbashkët, bashku me Junior Achievement Albania dhe me aktorë të tjerë si universitetet, i cili më ka mundësuar përvetësimin e njohurive, kryesisht në fushën e sipërmarrjes.
Additionally, they embarked on study visits and apprenticeship programs in collaboration with Polis University.
It was a rough journey, a long journey. It took more than 8 months for them to prepare, to be trained, to understand what the market is, what's the market demand.
Moreover, Innovate initiative was promoted in regional and national students' companies competitions implemented by JAA to more than 250 students from vet and public high schools across the country.
Energjia dhe kreativiteti i nxënësve në projekte të mbështetura nga mësues, mentor dhe biznes ishte frymëzues dhe konfirmim i qartë se kjo ishte padyshim një model që funksionon dhe duhet të mbështeten në shkallë më të gjerë.
Responding to the demand of the political partner to support the vet schools in their transformation towards multifunctional centers, we are thrilled to announce that Innovet 2.0 will be launched soon. The second cohort will focus on advancing entrepreneurship and innovation as key learning areas in public vet schools.